We'll guide you through how to use the Dropbox Authenticator app to enhance your account security with two-step verification. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Then, navigate to the Security tab. Here, you'll find the option to set up two-step verification. Click on Enable next to two-step verification. You'll be prompted to enter your password again for security reasons, so go ahead and do that. After entering your password, you'll see options for receiving your security codes. Choose Use an Authenticator app and click Next. Now, open the Dropbox Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. In the app, select Add an account and then choose Scan a QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your desktop screen. Once scanned, the app will start generating verification codes for Dropbox. Now, go back to your computer and enter the 6-digit code from the app into the Dropbox website and click Next. If you see a confirmation message, it means you've successfully set up two-step verification using the Dropbox Authenticator app. Remember, each code is temporary, so you'll need to use a new one each time you log in. It's a good idea to save backup codes that Dropbox provides during setup, in case you lose access to your app. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.